This video is for educational and informational purposes only. The tools and topics shown are meant to raise awareness, not encourage misuse.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you're watching my video right now. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to edit membership fan card with your mobile phone using Pixellab. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like this video, share and comment. This video won't be long at all, and the reason why is that I will be able to share the PLP file if you guys can actually do your work by leaving comments, share this video and like. If you are new here, subscribe. So all you actually need is your Pixellab. This is what we are learning today. I don't think we are learning this. This is what I'll be showing you guys today. So I've already edited everything. All you have to do is just to comment, and I will drop the link for you. You comment, I drop. Don't come to my DMs. Don't come to my WhatsApp. Comment on my YouTube channel. Let me see you are active. Let me see you watch the video. Let me know you watch the video. Don't come to my DM to ask for it. I won't answer you. Comment and I will drop the link for you on how to do it and how to extract it. So if you actually want to do it yourself, this is what you have to do. This is the so let's say this is the fan card, and all you have to do right now is, let's say, Alex graphics fan card, Alex and Bada edits fan card. So you put that here. You have to just make sure you do it to your taste or to your customer taste. You copy that. You think is we are here to learn our skills. I think that's my slang every time. We are here to learn our skills. So okay, then you put that here. So for the sake of everything, you put a line to make it look very good here. The line here. As you can see, you put a line here, and the next thing you do is you can go to your Chrome or your Safari to search for something to use. Let's say VVIP good texture. So if you don't want to go to all these steps, just comment. I will send you the link for the what's it called, for the PLP file. So you can download this, or you keep looking for more. I don't want to waste much of our time. That's okay. Then I'll import it. Just bring it in here, crop it out. Then I will make it, sorry, okay. I'll bring it small like this. Then I will come here, erase color, and I'll pick the black out. And that's it, VIP. Can you see? I pick the black out. Let me do that again so I can understand what I did here. Okay. The black is there now. So you come to this place. As you can see, you come to that place. You enable it. Okay. Then after that, you click on this. Do you see that? Then you take this cursor to is bring black. You see, if it's showing this color, that means you want to take this color out, but you want to take black out, you place it on black. Okay, then you mark it. Now you place it to the right place. You can place it to the left, anywhere you like, but I prefer it here. So the next thing you do here is you bring in your text like name. You put this, sorry, sec, put this, what again, address, you put column, issue date, you put column, don't forget, issue date, you put column, then expiring date. Am I typing now? Date. Then just put in, you fill it yourself. I don't know, right? Sorry. You fill it yourself, like name, Alex and Bada edit. Sorry, sex, male / female, address, any country. Any country, issue date. What's the next date? Is 1/21/2026. Then expiring date, you can put it as 1/21/2029. Then okay. So you place it very well. This is just sample. Don't forget, you can't do something like this. You had more than necessary details, maybe picture or stuff like that. Once you add it, and boom, you are good. I will leave this blank, like I will leave this available in the description below. But the PLP file, if the video goes well and I see enough comments, people asking for it, I will drop it. But this is what you see in the description below, my Telegram group. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. So sorry. We have back as well. So this is the back, but if you want to create one, we have back. You have back as well. But I think I'll pass it. We have back as well. Yeah, this is the back. I have the Tesla, and you see your Mox membership card and the membership card, the VIP. So you can do it anyhow you want. Can you see this for the Tesla? So I think I'll bring in everything one after the other. Let me just delete it because I won't need it. I'll cancel the project anymore. So can you see that's just the back? Then you just bring this in. You understand? Just bring this in. For you that want to learn and not waiting for PLP5, this is for you. Then the same way we do it the first time, you take the black out, then you place the VIP there. So you can now add more, you understand, like VIP member, you put member on top, and that's good, and that's all. So that's how to do the front and back. I think I've already teach you something today and you have already gained everything. So thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another stick. Bye.